How to change a thumbnail on a YouTube short. You can only do it inside of the YouTube app. You can't do it in the YouTube Studio app. It has to be YouTube. To go into YouTube, hit home, go down to the bottom right, click your profile picture, click your videos. After you click your videos, look for edit. But don't click advanced editing in YouTube Studio. You have to click just edit. It'll show you the dashboard of all of your videos. Then you click the three dots at the right of the YouTube short that you want to change the thumbnail. You can only change the thumbnail to a frame from inside the video. At the moment, you can change the frame to a different frame from inside that short video and make that the new thumbnail. Go to the thumbnail up at the top of the editing thingy, look for the pencil, click the pencil, then it'll give you a slider at the bottom and you pick the new frame. After you pick the new frame, you hit save and you've got a new thumbnail from inside the video. Subscribe if you think this helped.
How to change a thumbnail in a YouTube short. You can only do this in the YouTube app, not in the YouTube Studio app, at least not yet. And if you follow the instructions in the video, you'll see that you are in the YouTube app. You can change to a thumbnail in the video by picking a new frame from within the video and save the new frame from the video. Unfortunately, you can't upload a new still photo and make a new thumbnail. Not yet anyway, but you can use a frame in the video by following these simple instructions as shown. Subscribe if you think this helped.